What is up, you guys? It's your boy Peace. How you guys doing? So today in this video, I'm going through my favorite productivity apps and productivity techniques that I use almost every single day to keep myself productive. Right now it's 4:49 in the morning, and the first thing I do every single day to keep myself productive is to put the phone down right here. So I have a dedicated charging space in my room, and what I do every single day as soon as I wake up is to charge my phone on this space. So I don't have to look my phone for an hour and I don't have to get disturbed by a phone. All right, I just got my coffee over here. It's not anything special. It's an instant coffee. I like instant coffee. It's cheap and I don't even have like coffee machine and stuff. But the reason why I wake up at 4:30 every single day is because I can just get stuff done. Even I don't feel productive or even I don't want to be productive, if I wake up at every single day at 4:30, I basically get my stuff done. So I just wake up at 4:30. Also, there's a rhythm in your body called circadian rhythm. So what circadian rhythm is, if you sleep and wake up at the same time almost every single day, your body will kind of notice what time you're going to sleep and what time you're going to wake up. So you guys don't have to wake up at 4:30, but I'll say that, you know, try out, just wake up at like 7 or 8 every single day and go to sleep at like, I don't know, 11 or 12. But anyway, let me write my school essay for an hour because your boy need to catch up. All right, I'll see you guys in the next hour. Alright, I just finished writing my research paper for my college, and right now it is 6:38 in the morning, and the first thing I do every single morning soon as I wake up is to eat the frog. I think the eat the frog was a method from the Eisenhower principle. What you essentially do is to do the hardest task in the morning soon as you wake up. So before I even make my daily highlight or before I make my schedule for the day, I always have something in my mind that I have to do soon as I wake up, and today was the research paper from my college. So I thought it's gonna take me like 2 hours, but I'm so happy that I'm done before 7 o'clock. But anyway, let me make my daily highlights or to-do list. I don't even know the difference between daily highlights and to-do list, but let me make my to-do list on the app called Things 3, which is my new favorite to-do list app. I used to use Todoist, but Things 3 is way more, I don't know, simplified version of the to-do list, and the synchronization between, other apps are very seamless. So I use Things 3 now, and it is $12, but I think this is highly worth it. Alright, just finished editing my Instagram content. If you guys want to check out my Instagram content, please check out my Instagram because my Instagram is pretty fire and I don't really focus on tech stuff on my Instagram. I want to show more like what you can do with the smartphone or like my kind of, lifestyle in Japan. So if you guys want to check it out, please check it out. But anyway, when I'm editing my video or when I'm doing like a long-term, A-roll basic editing, it's kind of boring. And when I'm doing like a boring editing, I usually do a Pomodoro technique. Okay, so a Pomodoro technique is you do a certain task for 25 to almost 45 minutes. It really depends on your preference. Then you take a break to 5 to 10 minutes. I really like this technique, and I usually do this technique when I'm like studying for exam or doing some like, boring long task or like scripting and stuff, because I really hate scripting videos. And the app that I use for Pomodoro technique is called Forest. Forest is a iOS and Android app that you can use it for, I think, 250 yen, so it will be like $1.90 or $2, and I think this is totally worth it because in this app, not only you can set the timer of the app, but also they have a mode called deep focus mode. And the awesome thing about deep focus mode is that if you enable this deep focus mode, you cannot get out your app, or you can like basically cannot touch your phone. And if you touch a phone or if you get out the Forest app, the tree and the app will eventually die, and that's kind of sad. So you don't really want to kill your trees. Also, they have like a stock ambient sound, so if you guys are the type of person who doesn't really like to listen to some lo-fi hip-hop or some sort of chill vibes and music, you guys can listen to some like rain and fire and stuff, which is so chill and so awesome, and it keeps you very focused. Anyway, it is almost 8:20 and I'm about to head to the gym and get some serious pump for my chest and tricep and shoulder. Anyway, let's go. If you guys don't have access to your closest gym, I highly recommend Nike Training Club and Soar Kit. These are both awesome body weight training apps, and these are completely free, so please go check it out. Alright guys, I just got back from work and now it is still 11:30 in the morning. It's still the morning. Let's keep going. Let's keep ourselves productive. But anyway, I just finished my push day, which is my chest, shoulder, and whatever you want to call. I just gotta take a shower, clean myself up, eat some lunch, and take some, online class. So let's get it. Alright, I got my lunch. It is a protein oatmeal and I eat this almost every single day. This is not a fitness channel, but I've been, working out since I was 16 years old and I love fitness. And speaking of fitness, there's another kind of healthy lifestyle / management app called MyFitnessPal. This is from Under Armour, so it is legit and this is totally free if you get the ad version. If you guys don't like the ad, just get the premium version, but this is totally free and I love this app. So what this app can do is you can track your calories and macro, which is fat, protein, and carbs. What I have right now is a 150 gram of oatmeal, so old fashioned oats, 150 gram. I put 70 grams of protein in it, so the total calorie of this lunch is 848 grams. And this is slowly turning into a fitness channel, but don't worry, I am not gonna turn this to a fitness channel. And I see a lot of my comments in my videos like, bro, what are you eating, bro? That lunch is huge, or like that dinner is huge. Yeah, because I'm bulking and I don't have time to eat 4 or 5 meals a day. I only eat 3 meals a day, and my portion is gonna be huge if I want to eat big to get big, So anyway, it is 12 o'clock and I need to take my class because my class started at 11 o'clock, but it is on demand class, so I don't have to be at the time. So let me take my class while I'm eating lunch and let me continue my day. Bro, college teacher is just like straight up just posting video now. They're not even teaching anymore. But anyway, I think GoodNotes 5 is one of the best application for note taking for your lecture on iPad. And I've been using GoodNotes 5 since I got this iPad Air 4 and I've been loving it so much. And this thing helps me a lot when it comes to note taking in general. And even I can download a PowerPoint of the lecture and write the note on top of the PowerPoint, which is very easy to kind of see the overall thing that I'm studying and stuff. So I love GoodNotes 5 so much. And apparently GoodNotes 5 does not have a free update. You have to pay for the GoodNotes 6, I guess, but I'm totally happy with GoodNotes 5 and I don't have any problem with it. I'm just super happy. It's so nice. And a lot of people say, the 60 hertz is not enough. I need 120 hertz to feel the real paper experience. Just then buy it then buy iPad Pro. Spend the extra money, okay? Don't talk crap about cheaper device that have almost same exact power as expensive device but less fresh rate for screen. Don't talk crap about iPad Air 4. It's a good device and I've been loving it. Also, I kind of talk about this keyboard that I'm using for my iPad in other videos, but this is the Logitech Touch Folio keyboard and they have an iPad Pro version and they finally released the iPad Air 4 version because they need the cutout for the, power button, so they have the iPad Air 4 version. And to be honest, I really like this. This is very nice keyboard. It's very, kind of scissor keyboard type of feeling. It's not mechanical clickiness, but it is very nice keyboard. I love it so much. I use this for my scripting, note taking, and variation of other stuff. I mean, this keyboard does make your iPad super bulky and huge, but bro, you want to protect your device, right? Alright, anyway, I just finished taking my class and it's about 1:10 right now and my sofa is kind of dirty and I'm gonna implement the 2-minute rule to just clean up the sofa real quick and my desk real quick. Okay, so the 2 minutes rule is originally from the book called GTD, Getting Things Done by David Allen, but I read it on a book called on audiobook, but Atomic Habits by James Clear, which is one of the best book I ever implement in my life. And what 2 minutes rule eventually is, if you find some tasks that you can just finish in 2 minutes, but for me it will take me 7 minutes, but if you have a super short task that you can just do it, don't hesitate, just do it, just finish it, get over it, and go to the other task. I mean, you kind of need the grit and discipline at first, but once you get used to it, you can get so many stuff done. But you know what, just let me clean the sofa and desk real quick and let me go to my school. Also, currently I'm writing a lot of research paper from my university, and I've been doing like maybe 4 research papers now, which is pretty nuts, but this is my last research paper like semester. After this, I don't have to even like write essays from my university, which is awesome because I get most of my credits. But if you guys are writing like research paper or writing an essay, I highly recommend Notion for your rough draft or just like rough ideas. Since Notion can do so many things, I also use this for like my, my rough idea as like my visual whiteboard. I mean, there's a lot of apps that you can use as like a visual whiteboard. However, Notion is way more organized, and since you can like embed so many stuff like pictures and website and like video link and stuff, it is so easy to organize your whole essay and complete the task easier when you actually writing the essay or research papers. Anyway, I'm about to eat dinner, and after dinner I'm gonna write my script, and of course I'm gonna use a Pomodoro technique, and I have some couple of other techniques that I wanted to show to you guys, so let's get right into it. Alright. Anyway, it is 4:30 and I eat my dinner very early because I wake up early, so this is like my usual dinner time. But anyway, speaking of food, I eat same thing almost every single day. The reason why is because yes, I want to be healthy, and yes, I wanted to build muscle, but also decision fatigue is very serious problem in my life. I get decision fatigue very easy. That's why I only wear black clothes, so I don't have to choose clothing every single morning, and I eat almost same thing every single day because I don't want to choose what I wanted to eat. Also, speaking of habit, there's an app called Streak. It's only available on iOS, and you can also link up to your health app in your iOS, but this Streak app is pretty awesome. Essentially what you do is you just long press the habit that you wrote on this app. I like simple apps, and I like the Streak app because it's very simple, clean, and nice minimalistic app, but it encourages you to do your 10,000 steps, or take a photo a day, script one content, take vitamins, which I did. I totally forgot to press in the Streak app. Anyway, let me finish my dinner, but there's one last thing that I want to talk about for apps and technique as well. So I'll see you guys after dinner. Alright guys, it is 6:20 in the night. I mean, it's still kind of early night, so I still have a couple hours to do like scripting and video editing and stuff. I go to sleep around 9:30 to 10:30 just to make sure I get 6 to 7 hours of sleep. However, this last productivity tips slash application completely changed my life. Without this productivity technique slash application, I'll probably not be able to manage almost all the things I do, like such as, I'm a full-time student, I do 2 part-time jobs, and I post videos on YouTube and Instagram. What I use for application is totally free. Everyone can use it if you have a Google account, which is Google Calendar. I mean, there's like so many awesome calendar apps such as like Fantastica and like Emean. I forgot the name of it, but there's just so many calendar apps. However, I think Google Calendar is the most integratable to other applications, and this can be like the base of other calendar apps. So I highly suggest you to use Google Calendar first before you start your calendar game. I schedule and time block almost every single task in my life. I mean, I'm not like Elon Musk, Bill Gates, like precise. They schedule like 5 minutes, but for me, every hour or maybe every 2 to 3 hours, I kind of time block it, and each color represent different type of tasks. So for example, a week ago, December 3rd, 2020, this is like my schedule. I do each color block, and as you guys can see, like 2 to 3 hours, maybe sometime hour, maybe 30 minutes, I do schedule my time. And time management is so important, guys. Please, time management. If you guys have like a messy organization in your life, please organize your time with time management. And especially, I think Google Calendar is really good. All you need is one Google account, and Google account is so easy to make. FYI, if you guys want to know the best time management book, I highly suggest you to read Make Time by John Knapp and Josh Zarowski. I totally forgot their name. I'm so sorry, but this book is so, I don't know, it's not too strict, it's not very stoic, and find out which time is the most important time in your life. And I think this book really changed my life, and I really love this book. Anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see my previous video, please click the video right here. And if you guys want to see my iPad Air 4 video, please click the video right here. And I will put some random video right here if you guys want to check it out, and my channel will be right here. Anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My name is Peace.k.gates, and you guys already know. Peace out guys.